I'm back again with another video about CPNs, all right? It's CPN Shawty coming to y'all with some flavor, you know. I've been getting a lot of comments, you know, a lot of messages, a lot of my people hit me up, you know, they want information. And that's all this is, videos for informational purposes. They want information on why is my CPN getting denied left and right every time I apply. So if that's your issue, you need to watch this video to the end. Smash the like, follow, share, subscribe. Let's go. All right, look, a lot of people having this issue with their CPNs. They're getting denied left and right. You got to make sure a couple of things are done before you apply, all right? So we're going to run through a little quick checklist. And if all these things are done on your CPN, rock with it, all right? Number one, are you using the correct name? So the name that you Trimerge your CPN, is it the same that you're putting on the application? Number two, is the address different from your personal address? And are you using the correct address that you Trimerge your CPN with? That's two. Number three, are you using the correct birth date that you Trimerge your CPN with? Okay, you get where I'm going with this? All right. Number four, do you have public records done? Meaning, do you have things in the public domain? Like, do you have mail coming to that address in your name to that CPN address, all right? Number five, super important, do you have trade lines? And not just any trade lines, aged trade lines, at least 2 to 5 years old. And even older, the older the better. And a bonus that I'm gonna give you guys right here is CPNs work better the older they are. So if they've been sitting for even 30 days to 60 days, and then you start using them and you have a trade line on it, that trade line has a 90% chance over a non-aged CPN to get approved, all right? So that's a tip that a lot of these fake scamming YouTubers won't give you. But CPN Shawty just gave you that sauce, all right? So go ahead, smash the like button, subscribe, and share this, you know? Look, I've been a broker for CPN Generator for about 2 years. They always looked out for me. I get all my clients on Facebook. I send them to them. They never had an issue. They refund the people if it's an issue. So, you know, just tell CPN Generator that CPN Shawty sent you so I get my credit. And then I'm back again with another video for you, all right? Y'all be good. Remember what I told you. Get it.